am running out, but that's okay because I bought another one. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, go ahead and like this video even though I didn't do anything, and go ahead and subscribe right down below. And yeah, let me just get right into the video. So first I'm going to start off and I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty primer. Alright, and now I'm going to take my my ABH DipBrow pomade in the color Ebony. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Sephora Bright Futures concealer and I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my eyebrows. Alright, so now I'm going to prime my eyes with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Caffeine. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my Morphe 35B palette, and I am going to take this orange color right here and go into my crease. Alright, now I'm going to take the next darkest orange color right here and darken the crease a little bit more. Alright, back in some more with the actual red color. Alright, so now I'm going to go into my Tartlette in Bloom palette, and I'm going to take Leader. This is going to be the last color that I use to deepen my crease. Okay, so I'm just gonna buff out all these colors to make sure that they're blended really good. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. Okay, so now I'm going back into my Tartlette and I'm going to take jetsetter and go all over my lid. Right now, so I'm gonna go in and line my eyes with my e.l.f. Cream eyeliner. Alright, Fenty foundation and 440. Alright, it's gonna set. It's my Fenty Beauty powder. Alright, I'm going to take my very beat up Zuri pressed powder in Nuit and set my contoured areas. Alright, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. It is kind of different. I do like the dark lip, as you guys already know. And yeah, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Should have already did that at the beginning, but if you didn't, it's okay. You can go ahead and do it right now. Follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. All that's going to be down below in the description and on the next screen. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.